Today you're going to look at Aguinaldo one more time. So I want you to listen to the passage again or read it again. And then I want you to complete page 76 in your close reading companion. It looks like this. I'm going to pull up a version here just so it's a little bit bigger on the screen for us, okay? So here's the kind of the driving question behind this page. Remember, again, we're looking at point of view and how is the character feeling and what is the character thinking about. And how does what Marilia tells Margarita on the bus trip back to school help you understand how she feels? So, very different point of view from the very beginning of the story when she says, I don't want to go. You know, she whispers to her best friend. So, here's what you're going to do today. You're going to reread the last 3 pages on page 208. Okay, here they are. All right. And then turn to a partner. And if you're face to face and you have someone sitting close enough and you can still social distance, you could have someone that you can talk to. If not, you can just read it silently or listen to it again silently and talk about it with your partner, or you can work on this independently. Once you do that, then answer this question. What does Marilia say that shows how she feels? And you're going to write that text evidence in the chart. So there should be 3 clues that you will find. You can see there's 3 boxes here of things that she says that are going to help you understand how she's feeling. Okay, and then you're going to wrap it up by answering the question. This is kind of a sentence starter. The author uses Margarita and Marilia's conversation to help show that what's happening, what are they feeling and thinking. So those last 3 paragraphs on that page, and once you get finished with that, you're going to take a picture and just insert the picture in here. If for some reason you are working from home and maybe you don't have a close reading companion, you can look at the questions on the screen and you could replicate that. You could make your own copy of that on a piece of notebook paper or just a plain piece of paper from home and insert a picture of that. Okay?